How to add lighting in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and go to the 3D viewport where your model is visible. To add a light, press Shift plus A on your keyboard to open the Add menu. Then select Light. You will see different types such as point, sun, spot, and area lights. Next, choose the type of light that best fits your scene. For example, point light emits light equally in all directions, perfect for general lighting. Spotlight creates a focused beam, ideal for highlighting specific areas or creating dramatic shadows. After adding the light, use the Move tool or press G to grab and position it where you want in the scene. You can rotate it using the R key to change the direction of the light, especially useful for spot and sun lights. Then go to the Light Properties panel on the right side. Here you can adjust the light's power to increase or decrease brightness. You can also change the color to set the mood or atmosphere by clicking the Color tab. For softer shadows, try using an area light which casts light over a surface instead of a single point, giving a more natural and diffused effect. Now you know how to add lighting in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.